until noon Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 456 has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan, Lenawee, and Monroe, and the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Fulton, Hancock, Henry, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, Williams, and Wood, and the following marine locations: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, and Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to Reno Beach beyond 5 miles from shore. In Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for near-shore and open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to Vermilion, Ohio, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Elizabeth Park Marina to 35 nautical miles west of North Cape, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Putin Bay, Kelly's Island, Sandusky Bay, and Huron. Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Delaware, Calhoun County in northeastern Indiana, west central Williams County in northwestern Ohio, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:22 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Angola, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Angola, Butler, Waterloo, Hamilton, Eden, Ashley, Hudson, Blakesley, Alvarado, Pleasant Lake, Crooked Lake, Hamilton Lake, Golden Lake, Salem Center, Arctic, Berlin, Long Lake, Big Turkey Lake, Steubenville, and Metz. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 333 and 354. Interstate 80 in Indiana near mile marker 146. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Williams, Ohio. This is Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the Islands, Ohio, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of North Cape to 13 nautical miles southeast of Bowles Harbor of Refuge to 12 nautical miles southeast of Luna Pier, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Puddin Bay and Kelly's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sylvania to Holland to White House, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toledo, Perrysburg, Oregon, Sylvania, Rossford, Waterville, Northwood, White House, Genoa, Holland, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Walbridge, Millbury, Clay Center, Harborview, Reno Beach, Williston, Bono, and Stony Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, Ottawa, and Wood. This is
flash flood warning!
a flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, north central Wood County in northwestern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Toledo, Oregon, Rossford, Northwood, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Harborview, Reno Beach, and Bono. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elmore, or 12 miles northwest of Fremont, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Port Clinton, Puddin Bay, Oak Harbor, Genoa, Elmore, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Rocky Ridge, and Clay Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ottawa, Ohio. This is flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Fulton and Henry. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Fulton, Ohio County in northwestern Ohio, northern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Napoleon, Wauseon, Swanton, Liberty Center, McClure, Texas, Gerald, Colton, Braley and Ridgeville Corners. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Fulton and Henry.